Hello everyone, there is a solid state and I'm Hongxu. My metric number is 186422. Today my topic is ionic bonding. Before I talk about ionic bond, we need to know what's a chemical bond. Because the chemical bonding includes the covalent bond and the ionic bond. What's the chemical bond? It's a strong interaction between the atoms or the ions directly adjacent to matter. And the component of the chemical bond includes the ionic bond and the covalent bond. But what's the difference between the ionic bond and the covalent bond? Because the ionic bond means the metal and the non-metal combined, and the covalent bond is the non-metal and the non-metal combined. So today we focus on the ionic bond. Next, we need to know what's the ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is the interaction between the oppositely charged elements is called the ionic bond. And bonding particles include the anion and the cation. And the interaction is the electrostatic interaction between the anions and the cations. But this is the definition for the ionic bonding. I think it's not clear and very abstract. Next, we will give an experiment example to explain what's the ionic bond. So, next. We know when we at the middle school we have another experiment when the sodium burned into the chlorine. So we will what happened for the experiment. Next, you will look at this equation. Yes, this is the sodium and this is the chlorine. Sodium burned chlorine, so we will get the sodium chloride. But for the sodium chloride, how to process it? Next, we will explain it. Firstly, we will know the sodium ion formation. This is the sodium ion formation. How to get this is the sodium atom. How to get the sodium ion? Because you look at this one. This lost an electron, so get the sodium ion. The sodium ion, because lost an electron, so with a positive charge. For the, you see this equation. This is a positive charge with the sodium ion. Next, for the current ion formation. Current ion formation. This is a chlorine atom, and because get an electron, so to get the chloride, so with the negative charge. Now we need to return the experiment when the sodium burned into the chlorine, how to process it. Because when the sodium into the chlorine, because sodium lost an electron, and when the sodium combines the chlorine, lost the electron into the chlorine, so chlorine get an electron from the sodium, so get the chloride. This is the image map. You look at. This is the sodium lost an electron to the chlorine, so chlorine gets the electron from the sodium to get the sodium chloride. You look at, this is the final electron lost one, and this is not enough the 8, so need to get the electron from the sodium. You look at the sodium combines the chlorine we will get the ionic bonding. So this is the experiment, the final result, how to get the sodium chloride. This is the electronic presence, the formation of the ionic bonds of the sodium chloride. Before I mention it, what's the difference from the ionic bond and the covalent bond? The ionic bond, in most of the case, is the metal and the non-metal combine it. So we can look at this case. The sodium is a metal and the chlorine is the non-metal. When sodium and chlorine combine it, we will get the ionic bonding is the solid chloride. So that's all my topic. Thank you for watching.